Hey there everyone, and today we'll have a special video because today this is gonna be my biggest investment in one go per one video. So today I'm gonna invest 4,300 into my Binance account. But let's start step by step. So as you remember, I was always investing in the cryptocurrencies on my Binance account. I was trading on my trading Binance account, but also I was investing a few years ago in the stocks. So I was using my Freedom Finance account. So about 2.5 years ago, I did two investments, one with $7,000 and another one with $900 into my Freedom Finance account. I was buying stocks and also I was participating in the IPOs. I didn't trade over there. The only thing I was doing just buying stocks and keeping and expecting that the price will raise up and I'll have a profit over there. So since then, I didn't invest anymore in the stocks. I didn't transfer any money into my Freedom Finance account. I was just simply making a little profit with participation in IPOs and selling those stocks after the listing on the market. But unfortunately, the financial market went down. Many of the stocks just dropped down by 50, 60, even 95%, and I've lost a lot of money over there. Obviously, I've got a few profitable stocks, but that just wasn't enough to cover all my losses. And as you know, many times I was saying that I never closed any of my order with a loss, especially with the cryptocurrencies. So on my trading accounts, I never had any closed orders with a loss. But with the financial market, this is gonna be my very first time when I'm gonna close many of my orders with a loss. You might have seen that time to time I was posting my weekly balances from the Binance and from the Freedom Finance, so we can just go to my YouTube channel. And over here you can see this particular post. This was actually my very last post from the Freedom Finance on the 2nd of April 2024, Freedom Broker account, right? And this is my weekly balance overview. So after 2.5 years of holding all my stocks, after investing $7,900, right now I've got only $4,719 over here. Also, just another post here from the Binance account, and as you see, I have $67,476 over here. Now, after a few years, especially now when the cryptocurrency market is raising up, I just decided to close all my orders on my Freedom Finance account, withdraw all the available money from there to my bank account and transfer all those money into my main Binance account, split all that amount into 10 even parts, invest and buy 10 different coins and tokens and put them on the lock staking for the next 120 days or 90 days or maybe 60 days, whatever is available for those coins, as I'm doing for the past 2.5 years, okay? And I'm expecting that I'm gonna make profit just on holding those coins in the lock staking, and also because the market is raising up, so the price of all those coins and tokens will raise up as well, and I'm gonna make a way bigger profit on the Binance with the cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna cover all my losses from the Freedom Finance. So basically, after 2.5 years, I've got about 43% loss, but now I'm trying to recover all those losses and make profit, cover them, and even make profit in the future, alright? As I said, this is gonna be my very first time when I'm closing any of my orders with a loss, but I'll go this way and hopefully I'll be right. So 2 days ago, I closed all my orders on the Freedom Finance. I've got, after paying the fees, about $4,535 available to withdraw. As you know, I have Euro account on my bank, and after withdrawing to my bank account and the bank was converting the dollars into euros and again paying some fees, so after all of that, I've got 4,146 euros into my bank account, right? So what I'm planning to do now, I'm gonna add another 150 euros, as usually I was investing every week, into my Binance account. So that's gonna be almost 4,300 euros, but we're gonna round it up and we're gonna transfer exactly 4,300 euros into my Binance account. All right, so now let's go back to the Binance. Over here right now I have $64,600, which is about 0.97 bitcoins. Over here I have my different coins and the amount of them. If you go to the wallet view, we can see that on my spot account I have $226 as well. Right now what we have to do, we're gonna go to the buy crypto. Over here we're gonna click on the deposit, we pick euro, and we have 5 different options over here, right? We have the bank transfer, another bank transfer, open banking, bank card, and bank transfer SEPA as well. Previously I was transferring money using the bank transfer SEPA, but after I started to use my bank card I was paying 2% fee, but I was getting the money straight away just in few seconds on my spot account, and I was able to buy different coins and tokens and put them on the lock staking and to do all the rest, right? But this time, because that's gonna be 4,300 and pay 2% fee, it's gonna charge me about 84 euros just for the transfer, right? So I'm not gonna go this way. This time I'm gonna use the bank transfer. I'll go with the very first option over here. I don't know the difference between them, between all these bank transfer, right? But I'm gonna use the bank transfer SEPA with €1 fee. And the money, it says that the money will be in 1 to 3 business days, but usually in the practice I was getting the money on the very next day in the morning before 10-11 o'clock, right? So hopefully the money will be on my spot account tomorrow and I'll be able to proceed and buy different coins and tokens. So again, let's click to the bank transfer, we go to the continue. Over here I'm gonna insert 4,301 euro. €1 is going for the fee, and I'm gonna receive exactly 4,300 euros, right? So now I'm gonna click on the continue. I'll have manually transferred the money from my bank account into the Binance details, which the Binance is gonna provide for me for the transfer. And after that, tomorrow morning, hopefully the money will be on the spot account. And as I said, I'll be splitting all these amount to 10 even parts, so that's gonna be 430 euro into each coin. That's gonna be 10 different coins from the list of my favorite coins and tokens. So that's gonna be Bitcoin, BNB coin, Near, Atom, Avalanche, Graph token, Polkadot, Polygon, Neo, and EOS, right? So this is gonna be the 10 coins which I'm gonna invest, and I put them on the lock staking for the 120 days or 90 days or 60 days. We'll see, because for different coins and token there are different availability in the days and all this stuff. Let's now try and click on the continue. I'll transfer the money, and whenever I have them on my account I'm gonna proceed and we'll do the investment. Okay, so let's click on the continue. So I've got the money already on my spot account, and to be honest, this time it was pretty fast. So after the transfer I was making from my bank account into my Binance account, I got the money on the very next day at 6:30 in the morning. So I would say it took me just a few hours, right? Now let's just go quickly to my spot account and check that I have all my money over here. And yeah, as you see on my Euro account, I got 4,300 euros, right? And as I said, I'm gonna split this total amount into 10 even parts, and we're gonna buy different coins and tokens and after put them on the lock staking. So now let's go to the trade, click on the spot. Another good thing that just in the past few days Bitcoin dropped down from $72,000 down to 65,000. Yesterday when I was transferring money from my bank account into the Binance, so Bitcoin was about 65,000, but just in one day it raised up to 68,500. But still, that's a good price for me, and I'm happy that I'm able to invest more money, because as I always say, I'm gonna keep investing and buying different coins and tokens, keeping them on the lock staking until the Bitcoin price will hit into $75,000 per coin. Okay, so today we're gonna purchase Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Avalanche, Graph Token, Near, Atom, EOS, Neo, Polkadot, and Polygon, right? So this is gonna be my list of 10 coins and tokens, and let's start with the Bitcoin. All of them I'll be buying with euros, with 430 euro per purchase. Okay, so let's go here and insert BTC euro pair. Click on that. Now we go down here, click on the first available price to buy. We insert 430 euros and just click on the buy Bitcoin, right? Yeah, the order is filled up already. Now let's go and do the same thing with BNB. Again, we just click on the first available price to buy, insert 430 euros and just click on the buy BNB. Yeah, orders filled up again, and I'm paying a little fee here for each order, for each purchase, but that's fine for me. All right, now keep going, and the next will be Near. $430 and buy Near. Alright, now we go and buy Atom. We're gonna use same amount and click on the buy Atom. Yeah, order created and filled up already as well. Now Avalanche. Order filled up. The next one will be Polygon or MATIC. Yeah, another order is created. Now we go with the Polkadot. Yeah, we have this one done as well, and even filled up already. Now just two left, so there's gonna be Neo token. Probably there is no Neo Euro pair, so we go with EOS. And there is no EOS Euro pair as well. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna convert our euros into USDT, and after that I just split it to half, that amount of dollars of USDT, and I'll buy EOS and I'll buy Neo. Okay, so let's go to the Euro USDT pair. We should have about 860 euros left. So what we have to do, we have to sell our euros. We click the first available price to sell. We move our slide to 100%. We still have 1,200 euros available, but that's because we didn't buy all of the BNB coins. Okay, so we'll have to wait a little bit for that until this order will be filled up completely for 100%, and after that I'm gonna convert my euros into USDT. I'm gonna buy Neo and EOS. In the meanwhile, we can already go to the lock staking and put on the lock staking the coins and tokens we already got, right? So let's go to the earn. Over here we go to the simple earn, and now we just start with Bitcoin, but the Bitcoin gonna be on the flexible savings, so we don't have to do nothing with that. That will be automatically transferred into the flexible saving because I have Bitcoin already over there. So that's just gonna be added to the current amount. We go now with near. Yeah, we have option for 120 days with 8% APR. So we click on the subscribe, click on the max, and just confirm. Okay, now back again here. Next one will be Atom. A nice 15% APR over here with a 120 days duration. Click on the subscribe, click on the max, and click on the confirm. The next one will be MATIC, 5.5% APR, the same 120 days. Subscribe, max, and confirm. Avalanche, 8.5% APR. Again, we click on the max and put on the lock staking all our Avalanche tokens. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, now let's go back to the trade and check if we got all our BNBs or not yet. As you see, the order is still opened, so we still have to wait. Let's click on the BNB euro pair, and the price went up. Okay, so we'll have to wait over here. Okay, now we have another coin to buy, which we can buy for euros. So that's gonna be graph token. So we go to the graph token euro pair. Again, we click on the first available price to buy, insert 430 euros, and just click on the buy graph token button. And these orders filled up already as well. Now what we can do, we can go without waiting for all the BNBs to be purchased, just go to the Euro USDT pair. And firstly go and sell 430 euros. So we click over here, insert 430 euros, and we're gonna get $465, right? So we remember this amount here. We sell our euros. Now we got our USDTs. We go now into the Neo USDT pair. Click on the first below price to buy, insert $465 and just buy Neo. Okay, yeah, the order is filled up already, and now we do the same thing again. So again, Euro USDT pair, another 430 euros. We again gonna get 465 USDTs. Orders filled up, and we go and buy our very last token for today, which gonna be EOS token. So click on the EOS USDT pair, choose the price, use all our USDTs, but let's just use 465 in case the BNB gonna use some fee, some extra fee, right? So we click on the buy EOS. Yeah, and orders filled up already. We're gonna wait for the BNB that the price gonna drop back again to 542 euros per coin. Okay, now we go back again to the lock staking. So go to the earn, to the simple earn. We have another 3 coins to put on the lock staking. So the first will be graph token with 2.4% APR for 120 days. But it says that you have reached your personal quota, so we try within 90 days. Same story here, 60 days, yeah, we put on the 60 days. Confirm. Now we have Polkadot with a nice 15.6% APR for 120 days. Click on the max and confirm. Now we got Neo with 4.9%, and with the Neo we're gonna get as a reward gas tokens. Okay, so we're gonna earn gas tokens. Again, we click on the subscribe. The 420 days is not available for us, but we're gonna go with the 90 days. Alright, confirm here as well. And let's go with EOS. Same 4.9% APR and 120 days. Confirm as well. Now let's go to the trade and check my BNB order. The price is still high, but I'm gonna wait, and whenever this order will be closed, so I'm gonna put all my BNBs into the lock staking for the next 30 days as usually. Now basically that's it for today. This was a long video, and this was my biggest investment per one day on the cryptocurrency market. I still believe that I'm gonna make a big profit in the future, and I'm gonna cover all my losses from the Freedom Finance, from the stocks and IPOs. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos.